Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find hidden or archived chats in Microsoft Teams on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Teams apps on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, at the bottom of the screen, tap the chat icon. This shows your recent conversation, but some older or hidden chats might be not appear here. At the top of the screen, tap the search bar. Type the name of the person or group you are looking for. Even if the chat isn't visible in your recent chat, it should appear in the search result. Tap on the chat in the search result. This will open the conversation and you can continue chatting as normal. The chat might have been hidden because it was inactive or you muted it. If you want to make it easier to find in the future, tap the chat and pin it to the top. This keeps your important chats visible in your recently at all times. Microsoft Teams doesn't really delete chat unless the other person left or the chat was removed by your organization. And that's it. That's how you find hidden chats in Microsoft Teams on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.